Have you ever pondered the profound impact that something as small as a bee can have on our ecosystem, even in the face of severe conditions like drought? It's a fascinating topic, and today we're going to delve into it. Firstly, let's talk about water. During arduous drought periods, bees, like any other living being, require water to survive. So how can you help? A simple yet effective way is by placing shallow dishes of water out for them. Include rocks or floating objects for the bees to land on and drink safely. Remember, cleanliness is key, so keep the water fresh and refill it regularly. Now let's move on to the food source. Bees rely heavily on flowers for their diet, obtaining nectar and pollen. In drought conditions, you can aid them by planting bee-friendly flowers. Opt for drought-resistant varieties such as lavender, sunflowers, and wildflowers. Not only will these plants survive the dry conditions, but they'll also serve as a beacon for our buzzing friends. Next, we must touch on the subject of pesticides. These chemicals can be detrimental to bees, particularly during drought periods when food sources are scarce. To protect these vital pollinators, consider reducing your pesticide use or switch to bee-friendly alternatives. At times, natural sources of nectar and pollen may become scarce during a drought. In such cases, providing supplemental feeding can be a lifesaver for bees. A simple sugar-water solution in a 1:1 ratio can be placed in a feeder or a shallow dish for the bees to access. Creating and maintaining bee-friendly habitats can also make a world of difference. Provide nesting sites such as bee hotels, hollow logs, or undisturbed areas for ground nesting bees. Existing habitats should also be safeguarded from disturbances. Lastly, keep an eye on the bee colonies. Monitor them for signs of stress or malnutrition, such as reduced foraging activity or weakened bees. If you notice any signs of distress, it might be time for intervention. By following these steps, you can play a crucial role in supporting these pivotal pollinators during periods of drought. It's a small act, but its ripple effects on our ecosystem are truly significant. So why not give it a try, and while you're at it, share this video with others, spread the knowledge, and let's together make a difference. Remember, every new subscriber, every thumbs up, every comment fuels our passion to create educational content just like this. So don't hold back, hit that subscribe button and let's keep learning together. Until next time, stay curious.